Hey there, welcome to our video on simple homemade healthy drinks. In this video, we'll show you some easy-to-make recipes for refreshing and nourishing drinks that will help you stay hydrated and healthy. Whether you're looking for a morning pick-me-up, a post-workout drink, or just something to quench your thirst, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Section 1. Lemon Ginger Detox Water. The first drink we'll show you is Lemon Ginger Detox Water. This drink is a great way to start your day, as it helps to detoxify your body and boost your metabolism. To make it, all you need is a few slices of fresh ginger, half a lemon, and a large glass of water. Simply add the ginger and lemon to the water and let it infuse for a few minutes before drinking. You can also add some honey or mint leaves for extra flavor. Section 2. Green Smoothie. The second drink we'll show you is a green smoothie. This drink is perfect for a post-workout snack or a quick breakfast on the go. To make it, blend together a handful of spinach, a banana, a cup of almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. You can also add some honey or peanut butter for extra flavor and protein. Section 3, Turmeric Latte. The third drink we'll show you is a turmeric latte. This drink is great for relaxing and winding down after a long day. To make it, heat up a cup of almond milk in a saucepan and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of honey, and a dash of cinnamon. Stir well and pour into a mug. You can also add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the turmeric. Section 4. Berry Blast Smoothie. The fourth drink we'll show you is a Berry Blast Smoothie. This drink is packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making it a great choice for a midday snack or a dessert. To make it, blend together a cup of mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, a banana, a cup of almond milk, and a handful of spinach. You can also add some honey or vanilla extract for extra sweetness. And there you have it, some simple homemade healthy drinks that are easy to make and packed with nutrients. Whether you're looking for a detoxifying drink, a post-workout snack, or a relaxing nightcap, these drinks have got you covered. So, give them a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.